Hey everybody, I'm weatherbug meteorologist Miranda Hilgers back with a look at your extreme and severe weather outlook. It doesn't get much more extreme than the recent ice we've seen across much of the country. The Central Plains had a big ice storm that took down trees and power lines, and now we're watching for the Northeast. For our turn up into Sackets Harbor, New York, already seeing some ice accumulating on those plants. Wintry weather in a large swath across the northern tier of the eastern U.S. We've got winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings for snowfall through the Great Lakes and back towards Iowa. But we also have this very large, broad area with icing threats, freezing rain advisories, ice storm warnings here into upstate New York, northern Vermont, New Hampshire, and down east Maine, where we're looking at chances for ice to accumulate in excess of 1 inch. That's a lot of ice on a lot of those roadways. Very slick travel. In the early morning hours of Sunday here, we're looking at a very wide band of icing conditions coming across Maine down into northern sections of New York as well, and heavy rain to the south of this. So we're watching this big system continuing to be a headache for anybody who's doing any holiday travel here. It's been bringing anything from wind damage to tornadoes to flooding to snow and sleet and everything in between. So, of course, we've had plenty of storm reports in the past 24 hours, 218 actually wind damage reports, and 2 reports of tornadic activity into extreme southeastern Arkansas, northern sections of Louisiana. Actually, here's a photo from Jackson Parish where there was damage to a church. We are still waiting for word from the storm survey teams to head out today and figure out what exactly happened there. Flooding continues to be an issue as well after heavy rain throughout the eastern third of the country. We'll be watching for the system to push offshore as it moves into late Monday into early Tuesday, and much colder air comes in behind. For now, though, temperatures today trending very mild. A few records are in danger out here towards Norfolk and Raleigh, down towards Columbia and Charleston as well, where we could be seeing temps breaking old records as that heat gets pushed up along the Atlantic coast today. Behind this system, much cooler temperatures, though. Sub-zero temps tonight in the Twin Cities, cold tomorrow.